distinguished authorities, IGS chair, colleagues, and friends. It is an honor for me as Vice President of Outreach and Engagement of the University of Santiago de Chile, and on behalf of our President, Rector Pedro Palominos del Mar, to open this closing ceremony. Over the past week, we have chaired an intensive and rewarding program of presentations, workshops, discussions, and exchanges that have contributed to advancing geodesy and GNSS at the global level. This workshop has been much more than a scientific meeting. Here in Santiago, researchers, agencies, universities, public institutions, and industry representatives from around the world have come together, demonstrating how scientific knowledge can be transformed into collaboration, innovation, and tangible benefits for society. For the University of Santiago de Chile, hosting this event reflects our commitment as a public university to research, education, outreach, and international engagement. It also highlights the importance of building strong international partnership capable of addressing the global challenge faced by our scientific community. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to all institutions, sponsors, speakers, participants, and organizing teams whose dedications made this workshop possible. We hope that the connections, ideas, and collaborations established during these days will continue to grow and contribute to the advance of geodesy, Earth observation, and geoscience worldwide. Thank you very much to join us here in Santiago. We wish you a safe journey home and look forward to meeting again in future IGS activities. Thank you very much.